4.1 to 4.3 review, video solutions here. Looking at this first one. So I'm going to graph starting with the y-intercept of positive 1. I want to make these dots as small as I can. And up 3 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'll draw my line. The reason I want to make my dots as small as I can, I'm going to find out where lines cross. If I make my dots too big, I'm not going to be as accurate. And then positive 3, 1, 2, 3. Down 1 over 5. Oh, sorry, up 1 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. One, two, three, four. Oops, sorry, off by a number there. And then draw my graph. And so if I look at it, they're crossing right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 5, 4. Looking at the next one. I got to solve these for y. Okay, so looking at this, I'll take this top one, I'll subtract the 2x of both sides. Got to come over here to give myself some room. So it'll be 5y equals negative 2x plus 10 divided by 5. Okay. And then taking this one, I'm going to add a 3 to both sides. So coming over here to give myself some more room again. 5y equals 3x plus 15 divided by 5. And y equals 3 over 5x plus 3. Okay. So I'll go ahead and graph this top one up here, start at 2. We're going to go down 2 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And then we'll graph this other one. Start at positive 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And if we look at this one, it doesn't cross at a nice point, but I can still get a pretty good estimate. So it's negative 1 and then 1, 2.5. So I want to say negative 1 and then 2.5. All right, next one here, we're going to look at solving by substitution. So we're going to say, all right, I have to get a variable by itself. Okay. Alright, so I pick that x to get by itself, so I'm gonna use this one right here. That's an 11. So I'm gonna plug it up here into that x, so I get negative 7 times 2y plus 11 minus 2y equals negative 13. And then I get negative 14y minus 77 minus 2y equals negative 13. Negative 16y minus 77 equals negative 13. I'm going to add a 77 to both sides. Then I get negative 16 equals, give me a 46 divided by negative 16. Y equals negative 4. Alright, so that gets me y, but I also need x. So, sorry, I scooped it up so you can see. I also need x. So now that I've got the y, I'm going to plug it back into any of these equations up here and work it out. So I'm going to plug it into this y right here. So I'll squeeze this down here at the bottom. and I'm going to say x equals 2 times negative 4 plus 11. I know it's kind of, make sure that I get that's an 11, equals negative 8 plus 11, and x equals 3. So my answer is actually a point. It's the coordinate point 3, negative 4. Okay. Coming over here, same thing, I have to pick a variable to get by itself to use the substitution method, so this y looks like it's the easiest. So I get y equals 5x minus 2. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to plug it into this one. I'm going to plug it into that y. Okay. Combine like terms, negative 27. Nope, sorry. Yeah, positive. Sorry. Positive 27x minus 12 equals negative 12. Okay. I'm going to add a 12 to both sides, and I get 27x equals 0. Looks kind of weird, but that's fine. I'll just divide by 27, and 0 is a number, so the x value is 0. Then I'm going to find the y. I'll go ahead and plug it into that one, so I'll say y equals 5 times 0 minus 2. Y equals negative 2. So my answer is 0, negative 2.